Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send money to a foreign number using Bizum, step by step for 2025. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open your bank's mobile app. Opening a mobile setup. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the features work properly. Step 2. Go to the Bizum section. Once you're in the app, look for the Bizum option. It's usually under the Transfers, Payments, or Send Money tab. Step 3. Choose the option to send money. Tap on Send Money or the equivalent option. You'll see a screen asking you to enter a phone number. Step 4. Enter the recipient's foreign number. Here's the important part. Type the recipient's phone number. Make sure you include the correct country code at the beginning, for example, +33 for France or 44 for the UK, then the rest of their number. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Double-check all the details, especially the phone number and amount, then hit confirm or send. Step 6. Complete the security process. Your bank may ask you to complete a security check. This could be entering a code you receive by SMS, fingerprint confirmation, or Face ID. Step 7. Done. Once it's confirmed, the money will be sent to the recipient instantly. And that's it. You just sent money abroad with Bizum. Tip: always make sure the recipient's number is correctly entered and that their bank supports international Bizum payments. That's all for this quick guide. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy 2025 banking and payment tips. See you next time.